Good morning, Beaver Creek! Welcome to another episode of the Vail Dailies on the Hill. I'm your host, Ross Leonhardt. It's Sunday, the 8th of December. We're gonna take a run down Latigo this morning. Woo-woo! Another day of powder for breakfast here at the beach. Nice little layer out here this morning. Great for skiers and snowboarders. Not the best for those World Cup ski racers. Closing out the weekend here at Beaver Creek as well. Oh man, good to have some fresh snow here at Beaver Creek. Beaver Creek's got about 30% of the mountain open, a little over 500 acres. Vail Mountain's got about 20% of the mountain open with close to 1,000 acres. So it's that time of year where stuff will be opening up with every kind of snowstorm we get here. Cool, man. It's about 30 degrees here, so not too cold. Cold enough to get some good snow. Good stuff. You guys know what you call a snowman that has a six-pack? An abdominal snowman. An abdominal snowman. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of the Vail Dailies on the Hill. I'm your host, Ross Leonhardt. Get on out, guys. We'll see you soon. Hi, Mom.